Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous video, we learned to play the Happy Birthday to You song. If you haven't practiced it yet, I think you should. You can use it as a means of surprising your loved ones and making them feel special. In today's video, we are going to go back to the theory of ragas and we are going to be exploring a new raga called Raag Durga. Raga Durga is a beautiful rag where we'll be starting with understanding the Aroha and Avroha and then the classification of the raga based on the parameters we have discussed before. Have you watched that video yet? If you haven't, you should. Here's the link. So let's get to it. Raag Durga. The Aroha Avroha is Sa Re Ma Pa Dha Sa Sa Dha Pa Ma Re Sa. The Vadi swar of this rag is Dhaivat or Dha and the Samvadi is Re. This rag has been derived from the Bilawal Thaat. All the notes in this rag are Shuddha swar. There is no Vikrut swar. This rag has 5 notes. Sa Re Ma Pa Dha Sa Dha Pa Ma Re, both in the Aroha and Avroha. So this falls into the Audava Jati. This is supposed to be sung in the second prahar of the night. The Varjit swar or the notes that are absent in this rag are Gandhar Ga and Nishad Ni. Now let us see how this raga sounds on the flute. I will first start with the Aalap and then I will go into the composition. I will introduce the composition which I will be teaching in the next video. I hope you enjoy this. So this is the composition in Raag Durga that I will be teaching you in the next episode. This is set to Tal 3 Tal and the current BPM was 120 beats per minute. As always, I've used the A scale. So before the next week comes, I would suggest that you create alankars in Raag Durga, as I have already shown you before, and then play and practice alankars in Raag Durga. Patrons, as usual, get a download for the entire alankar set for Raag Durga. Practicing alankars in the raga are extremely important, as they not only build muscle memory for that raga, but they also ensure crisper and clearer notes. They ensure smoother and faster movements of the fingers on the flute and makes the breathing more steady for that raga. It also improves thought clarity and muscle memory. With that, we have come to the end of the video. If you like the content that I create, then please consider supporting me through memberships on Patreon. Members get exclusive benefits, like I said previously, more downloads, more PDFs of compositions, a monthly Google Meet session, and so much more. Or you can consider making me a one-time contribution through any of these methods mentioned here. Or else, just make sure that you like the video, leave a comment where I can address it, share the video to someone who's learning the flute. It'll definitely benefit them. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon, because every time you get to learn something new, it'll make me extremely happy. Enjoy the process of learning. Happy learning. The Silent Flautist signing off for the week. See you again next week with another video.